So basically in this video, this is just going to be the unboxing video. Later on I'll compare it with the original Zoom and also a couple of other sound recording devices I got, so you can get an idea if this is something you want to get. Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin, and today on Dashandrun, well, we're following up a video I did some time back, which was basically on this device here, which is the Zoom H1n. It's an updated version of the original Zoom H1. So basically what I want to do in this video is do a comparison between this particular one here, which is the Sony, and also this, which is the Zoom Q2, and also the original Zoom H1. Just to give you an idea if this device is worth getting. Now, these two here have been on the market some time ago, but they have another bonus. They can also do video, which is pretty good. So they have video cameras built into them as well. These are basically just portable recorders. And this is basically the updated version of this one, which came out some time ago. So anyway, what I want to do is basically just do a sound recording of these four devices and to see which one sounds the best. Now, I'm not going to delve into the menu because you've got a whole host of different settings you can do. I'm basically going to run these on auto. So just as a sort of as a run and gun, if you grabbed one of these devices and you wanted to record an event or something for a podcast, just what the straight audio would be like in preset, already done. As I said, you can tweak all of these and produce slightly better and worse audio depending on how you want to manipulate them, but this is just basically a straight comparison of what the audio sounds like sort of out the box with the preset set for default factory setting. So anyway, I'll stop rabbiting and let's go and record some audio, and then you can see which one of these sounds better. Okay, so this is basically just an audio test, so I'm going to say the same thing basically, and all of these devices are now recording what I'm saying, so it will give you an idea of what the audio sounds like. So I'm not going to try each one individually, they're just all recording my voice as I'm saying and speaking to you right now. So hopefully this will give you an idea if they're quite good for what you want, and also it will give you an idea of which of these four items here produce the best audio for the need that you want. They're all got different uses. They all are pretty handy if you want to make a podcast, or if you want to record a live event, or if you want to use an external recorder instead of the built-in recorder on a camera. As I said at the beginning, two of these have got cameras on them, which is also a bonus. So basically this is just an audio test. Well, there you go. There's my quick audio test of these four audio recording devices, and overall they're all pretty good and they all have a different use. These are great for capturing video as well, so if you want to sync something up, you've got some video as well from the event, which makes it a bit easier. These are very portable and got a lot of features, and also great for mounting on cameras as your actual external audio device. So overall they're all really good. The newer version of the Zoom H1n is slightly better than the original. I feel the build quality and the design of it is just that bit nicer. So if you can pick this one up cheap, then it's still worth getting, but otherwise go for the newer one. And these two, as I said earlier, they're great because of the video capability, but they may be a little bit harder to pick up now, but they are also very good as well. Anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.